Welcome back to the channel, folks. Mr. H here for a quick news flash on The Suicide Squad. Dubbed a complete reboot, but now we're hearing that there's returning cast members. Super strange. So let's get into the meat of this. Jai Courtney, who played Captain Boomerang in Suicide Squad, has confirmed in a new interview that he's back on board for Captain Boomerang in the sequel, but the sequel that is a total reboot. Doesn't really make sense. In fairness, Will Smith is out as Deadshot. He's confirmed to be out. And then there's now reports that Idris Elba is going to be replacing him. I mean, great. You know, apparently we just swap out black people. No one's going to notice. Apparently DC are doing a Marvel with Rhodey. So Captain Boomerang's Jai Courtney said, "We're getting ready to shoot in a few months' time. There's not much else I can reveal about it, but yes, you'll be seeing Boomerang back for sure. I'm happy. It's going to be fun. It will be different for sure, but it's going to be great." So there you go. I mean, what is going on here? James Gunn, is this a total reboot? Is it not? What do you think? Let me know down below in the comments. It seems to me this is very similar reports to Wonder Woman not being a sequel, but apparently is being a sequel, but apparently is not being a sequel. So James Gunn's The Suicide Squad is not a sequel, but it's a total reboot. But they're having characters come back. Doesn't make any sense, but there you go. This is just pure nonsense with DC right now. It's hilarious. So I thought I'd let you know. What do you think? Let me know down below in the comment section. As always, if you are new here, please do hit subscribe. And to stay up to date on the world of pop culture and movie news, crush that bell notification icon. Guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you like this video, give it a like and a share. I've Mr. H. Take care.